life is to be an air hostess. Thank you.
So let's begin. Can we have the first fresher from the ladies group?
Hello everyone. My name is Ruby Debrama. I came from Morpho School. Now I live in Kokborok College in Sociology Department, and my village is Kumulong. But now I'm joining in Hagut house, and then my aim in life is to be a teacher, and my hobby is dancing. Thank you all.
Now, can we have the fresher from the gents group? Don't feel shy, come on. It's your show. Take your dance.
Good evening everyone. My name is Nilafuma. I am from English department. My previous school was JNB, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Thank you.
Teachers, are you ready with the questions?
Good evening, guys. My name is Valentina Deborma, and I am from Sociology Honors, and my hobbies is playing guitar. So thank you, everyone.
Please don't go. Please, excuse me, ma'am. Please don't go. Teachers, can we begin with the questions? Please call the first as well. Please call the first student. The first fresher who introduced herself. Can you please come on? Can you please come? Teachers, so can we begin with the questions?
Okay. So can you please tell us your favorite movie and why?
And my favorite movie is
And why it is your favorite movie?
Students of Dream.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
So the question is, what is your favorite movie and why?
Sir, actually I don't have any favorite movies. I watch everything.
Okay. So what have you watched recently?
So I didn't watch anything. So.
Okay, thank you.
The second freshers, can you have it? Please come. Teachers,
Okay, Valentina. Here. Okay. So, Valentina, tell me what is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is nervous.
Nervous. Okay. Are you nervous?
No.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rahul Debarma. My past school was ARPS, Assam Rifle Public School, Agartala. My aim in life is to become a police officer, means like military officer. My hobby is playing volleyball and football. I belong from English department, English honors department.
do you know India is celebrating 75th anniversary of India's independence this year?
Yes, miss.
You know, right? Okay, so government of India is celebrating the 75th anniversary of India's independence. Under which banner? What is the name of that particular festival? There is a name banner. Do you know?
Sorry, ma'am, I have no idea about that.
Okay, I'll give you the easier one. What is your aim in life?
To become a military officer.
And why do you choose that?
To serve for the nation.
Very good, thank you.
Thank you.
Fresher from the girls side. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Bersa Deverma, and I was the first out student of St. Paul's and
Which department?
English department.
Okay, my question to you is, what would be the first thing you do if rules have been removed from your college for one day?
We have sleep over there.
No, there are lots of rules and regulations in our college. So if those rules and regulations are removed for one day, what would you do?
I would have returned home so happily
In between.
instead of being tired.
Okay, alright, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Next fresher from the 10th group.
Good evening, everyone. Sarikaham. My name is Sakam Devrma. I belong to Fresher'S and I passed out from their school, St. Xavier High Secondary School. And now I belong to. Okay. And I belong to History Department. And now I'm looking forward to judge's question, but not educational response, please.
Okay, the question is, if you have the chance to meet any movie character, who would be? Who would it be?
Character,
Who
like
would
actor?
be? Any actor, any fictional character from movie,
Any fictional character from
and why?
To talk about Bollywood, I'll prefer Krish. And from Hollywood, like I forgot the actor name. Let me recall it, please. It's only that. Like Shiva Korean maybe. I maybe just with the movie name.
Okay, but why?
Yes, sir. Next question, please.
Can you please explain why?
Why? Because when I was a kid, we have a TV in our home, but now I don't have. But at the time, I used to watch everyday movie without roaming, and then each two channel, then movie used to come daily, and I used to watch daily. That's how I got liked by that movie. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
The next freshers from the ladies group.
My name is Mona Lisa Deverma. I have completed my schooling from St. Paul's School, and now I'm taking sociology honors as my course. And I'm from Kauai.
Okay, the question is like this. If you get the opportunity to be one day with our Miss Elizabeth Colloy, how would you spend your time?
Thank you so much, sir, for this question.
I will spend my day as I watch her vlogs also. So I will enjoy a lot to be with her, do things what she does in a day, like, and also want to sing with her, something like practicing. Even my mom likes you a lot. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Can we have a round of applause for her? Come on. Can we have the next fresher from the gents group?
Hello everyone, hello guys. Myself, I am Ritesh Nohatia from Political Science Department. Any questions?
Okay. Ritesh, describe yourself in 3 words. Yourself in 3 words.
Myself in 3 words.
Yes.
I am boy.
Okay. 2 more words. Bad boy. Boy, bad boy. 1 more word.
Adult guy.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Can we have the next fresher from the ladies group?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ruthi Riang. I completed my schooling from Holy Cross School, Agartala, and now I belong to Human Physiology Department.
Dini Emil Lab Masina.
Ani Emil Life Care Professor Umano.
Are hingke professor ni hingke kemar jam dina nangsi ite. Ma.
Bang man TED raw kang rini nawo abon pai ke net raw clear kini nawo.
Okay, thank you.
The next fresher from the gents group.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhavi Devarma. I passed out my school from Bhavan Sripra Vidya Mandir, which is located near TIT College. I belong to English Honors Department. That's all. Thank you.
Hello. Now, what was your name, please?
Bhavi Devarma.
Bappi.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you listen to music?
Yes.
What kind of music?
Songs like
What type of song?
romantic.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That was that's great. So next special place group.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mahima Jamatia and I'm from History Department. Thank you.
Okay, tell us one good personality trait that you like.
Means
a good, a good character, something like that, that you lack in, but which you don't have, but you see it as, something great. Maybe somebody have, but you lack in that.
loyalty.
I guess. So you're not loyal.
Sometimes.
Thank you for being very truthful. Though not loyal, but very truthful. Thank you.
Next question from the boys group.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Bilton Debarma and I have completed my class 12 from Sri Krishna Mission School. And my hobby is skateboarding, basketballing, etc. I like to do so many sports, and that's it. You guys can answer the question.
So the question is, name one thing which you don't like about college life.
No, I really enjoying the college life, so there's nothing that I don't like it.
Okay, can you name something which you like?
So new disciplines, new books.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Good evening, all are present here. Myself, Antrina Devarma. I pass out from KVONGC Agartala, and now I'm on Holy Cross College taking botany honors. Thanks.
What is your name?
Antrina.
Okay, Andrina, right?
Antrina.
Antrina. Okay.
Yes.
Antrina,
Yes.
tell me what is beauty according to you?
Beauty comes from your bottom of heart. It's kindness and respect to elders and the fellow mates and the parents and all the senior citizens of our country.
Okay, so are you beautiful?
I'm not sure about it.
Okay.
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Edison Ria, and I passed out from Montfort Higher Secondary School. And now I'm studying at Holy Cross College in History Department.
Your name again?
Edison Ria.
Okay. Can you tell us one of your best memories of your life?
Yes. Then there is stealing the one. Stealing father's food at school.
Stealing?
Yes. With our friends. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, honorable chief guest and my sisters and brothers as well as classmates. My name is Payal Devarma. I completed my high school from Jen B. Bodol, which is in Khoi Arsigat, and I took the English Honors Department here. Thank you.
Your name?
Payal Devarma.
Payal Devarma. Okay, Payal Devarma, this is a simple question. Coming to this college, how do you feel?
Well, it's a kind of feeling which can't be expressed in words. At first, I thought that I'll be with my friends in this college, but my friends couldn't attend with me. They attended another college. I kind of feel lonely, but I think I now got many good friends and good teachers here. So I hope I can continue my best. Thank you.
My name is James Devarma. I'm from BBA department. I pass out from Baban Stipra Vidya Mandir. Thank you.
Alright. So if you have to rank wealth, health, and family according to their importance, how will you rank them and why?
Sorry, sir.
Health,
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't
wealth,
get your
and
question.
health, wealth, and family. Alright, health, wealth, and family. If you have to rank them according to their importance, how would you rank them and why?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, your Okay, among these three, health, wealth, and family, which one do you think is the most important for you, according to you?
Well,
Wealth, and why?
because my parents care me so much.
So, you prioritize wealth because of your parents. So, that means family is the first priority, is not it? Okay. No worries. There's no right or wrong answer here. So, since you're from BPA, what when I have whenever there's exams, BPA students are the one who is cheating all the time. So, can you tell one business ethic, that you have to keep in mind, which should be applicable even before you become an entrepreneur or businessman? Don't know. Okay, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Elna Devarma, and I have completed my high school from Bhavan Sripra Vidya Mandir. My hobbies are playing games and listening to songs, and I belong to English department. Thank you.
Okay, the question is, what's the difference between what is cultural and traditional to you? What is the difference between cultural and traditional?
Sir, next question.
Next question, I will keep it very simple to you. Tell 5 things that you are grateful about today. Tell 5 things that you want to thank you for.
I want to thank to all my seniors for their efforts.
1.
And
there are lots of things that you can be thankful for. So what are those 4? Example, I'm thankful for my mom that she gave me a good food this morning. So what is that for? I think it's the simplest questions.
And thanks to all our guests for coming today, for attending our program, Fresher'S program.
3 more, please. I'm thankful for the road that I drive, even if I don't build it. Thankful for that. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Global Development. I belong from Kuwait and I'm passed out from Hindi Higher Secondary School. My department is BA Political Science.
Okay, I have a question for you. Very simple one. What is the theme for today's event?
The theme is.
Don't look back. Don't look back. Tell me today's theme.
Theme is familiar with all together. What? No, sir, I do not see. Fresher'S comes. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Sarika Hamjodonono. My name is Sangita Jamatia. I'm from English department. And I have completed my schooling from Holy Cross School, Agartala.
Ini bagai anu question ka. If suppose tiniang nono kaisa musamong musai funuk din kan ke nang po musamong jus kai nai tangi Apa ani senamjak music video nang Mari music video ni sab mumai. Pokono choose kelain ini.
Kokborok dance kaya mo soan.
Apa tu ang bujika. But pokono sab mumai sengman sih. Pokono sab mumai nang musanai, musai penolai. Ini favorite jadi sab mumai. Pokono cadi.
Tung salama.
Asal jorok tunggulah, hai peno next round nopo naya nih tung salama play kayak bisa bersama bro. Okay. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Paul Verma and I'm from Sociology Department. Thank you.
Okay, also you are from Sociology Department. So who is your favorite teacher from Sociology Department?
Everyone.
But if you have to choose one, who would be?
It would be quite tough.
Who would be if you have to choose one?
No idea, sir.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Vaishali Chakma. I am from BCom Honors and my past school is Don Bosco School, Agartala. Thank you.
Okay, hello Vaishali. Vaishali, tell me, what do you love about yourself?
I don't know.
You don't love yourself?
Yes, I do.
Then what do you love the most about yourself? Many things you will have, but what do you love about yourself?
My hairs.
Okay, thank you.
Belum ka jatono no, ani mong ka Gritraj no atia. And I'm pursuing BA History Honors. And my hobbies are cooking traditional food and traveling. Ma'am, can I have the question, please?
Okay, so what is your favorite food then?
My favorite food is awang bangli and the traditional, which are in
one of the curry mentioned, one of the cuisine.
What was that?
Dhritaraj.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me how to make wahan mos then.
Ma'am, first we have to boil the water. After that we will pour pork in the steam water. So after that we will fry chilies. After that we will smash it. Then after that we will mix and it is ready.
Okay. So
it will be perfect when in the festival Goya Puja and like Hungary. It is best.
Okay. Ma'am, Cynthia is already, her mouth is already watering. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am, I would love to serve you in the college.
Oh, I will remember that. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Sarika Hamjadoro. I am Aisha Burma. I have passed my higher secondary school from San Andres and I am from Lefula. My aim in life is to be an air hostess. Thank you.
And you are from which department?
Political science.
So is there any link between political science and your aim in life? I mean, why did you choose political science?
There's nothing such that I'm interested in this subject actually. My parents wanted me to graduate in this subject.
Okay, but you have no interest.
Now I'm a little bit interested.
Why? Suddenly?
Because they talk about fighting.
You like fighting? that history as your gender. No, but her parents want her to take all kinds, and now she's a bit interested. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello guys, my name is PC Vanarwata and I came from Tuidu, going to Tripura. And I just passed out my 11-12 in Oxford Higher Secondary in Mizoram.
May I know your name again?
PC Vanarwata.
Mr. Vanarwata. Well, you're from Tuidu, right?
Yes.
Okay, even I'm from that side, so I'm very familiar with the place. And of course, I passed out from that Tuidu Calvary High School. So I feel like seeing you there. Well, I have a question for you. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is playing football.
Do you sing?
Not so much, but I love rapping.
You love? Can you rap for us?
No, I don't know the rhymes and...
It's okay. No one will judge you for that. It's fine. Can you? Like no one can rap here, so it's okay. Can you?
I'll just rap for you.
Okay, for me.
Grandma changed me walk to the door.
You're going good.
Grandma changed me walk to the door. Before you came, I was still on the floor. Girl, you're so perfect, I think that it's working. You gave me a love, now I really want more. Girl, you're so different apart from the rest. Could I dropped out, I don't really take tests. You gave me a love, I made it till I just got 19. Get the plug, you're the one with the best. You did me wrong. You did me wrong. Thanks, that's much I don't know the lyrics.
Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone. I'm Chanika Debarma and I have completed my schooling from Hindi Higher Secondary School and I'm from Human Physiology Department. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, questions is what's your purpose in life and why is it?
I want to become a professor and purpose is I want to teach my tribe people and everyone in the villages who are not getting enough education.
Wonderful, thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kokborok Song. I've completed my higher secondary schooling from Babansipra Vidya Mandir. I'm from Human Physiology Department. My hobbies include making accessories, reading articles, painting, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, so the question is, let's assume that you have been given the power to be invisible. Okay, so what would be the first thing that you would do?
I would eat everything in the world, and as I'm a foodie person, so I would eat everything in the world twice. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Kokborok Song.
Kokborok Song. Okay, thank you very much.
Good evening everyone. Myself, I'm Nengal Kim Gangte. I am from English department and my hobby is playing volleyball.
Why did you take up English?
Because I know that it will help me in my family ministry.
Like what is your family ministry?
As we are a missionary, so we are preaching the word of God and it will be helpful for you.
How?
Because most of the books are written in English and it is better to learn English and to understand all what is written.
And then you will translate in the local dialect?
Yeah, we started it as my parents, they also started translating from our language to this Kokborok local dialect.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Manthai Debarma and I'm from Commerce Department. And my hobbies are playing basketball and I'm still learning it. And I have played football, cricket and many other games. Thank you.
What is your name?
Manthai Debbarma.
Manthai. Okay. So what is the meaning of Manthai?
Well, in Bangladesh, say pawen na.
So in Kokborok?
Manthai.
Manthai. In English?
English means like related with profit, man.
Profit, okay. Okay. Since you said your hobbies, which are all related with ball, kick a ball and show on stage. Imagine there is a ball and kick it and show.
I would have did that with ball perfectly, but in imaginary it's kind of like weird. So.
Okay, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Moshumi Debarma, and I'm from English department.
Okay. Hello, Moshumi.
Hello, ma'am.
What's your hobby? I mean, what's your aim in life?
My aim in life is to become a professor.
Okay, so like being a tribal Tripuri community, so when you become a professor, how would you like to serve your tribal people?
By teaching them.
By teaching them what?
Good things.
Good evening, everyone. I am Anish Dharma. I passed out from St. Andre English Medium School and then became Hindi Higher Secondary School, and now I'm in Botany Department. Thank you. My hobby is to play football.
Yeah, what's your name again? Yeah.
Anish Devarma.
Anish Devarma. What's your aim in life?
I dream about becoming a footballer, but in India that's not possible. Maybe.
Okay, let's say that you have got the opportunity to play for a big club in India, and then you got the opportunity to go to Barcelona Football Club in Spain. Will you leave your family behind and play there for your career?
Yeah, of course, my dream.
Thank you so much.
My name is Cinderella Debarma, and I'm a pass-out student of St. Andre English Medium School, and then I came from Hindi Higher Secondary School. Now I'm pursuing in Botany Honors. Thank you.
Nini hobbies tamo?
Ani hobbies nito ang onek masana sa jago, but apart from that, I love reading novels book.
Okay. Nang to sa kanini hobbies masana ni. So tabo ano kaisa step musai funuk di. But music tongla.
Music tongla.
Music is that?
It's fine. I can do.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Hassan Derma, and I am from EMRS Modern Residential School. And judges, you can ask me the questions. And actually, I am from English department from Miss Eleni. I think, ma'am, she don't. Yeah, ma'am, please ask me a simple question.
Simple question
That's it.
from English department. So you've been attending already class for like maybe 2-3 weeks.
Yes.
So whom do you fear the most among the teachers?
Actually, truly, I would say, ma'am, Eleni.
What kind of fear she gives you?
She gives me like that. You can't use your mobile phone during the class. That's why he will take the mobile phone and it will be restricted for 1 week like that.
And next one is at least two more you tell me.
And next one, we cannot talk during her discussion.
Okay. And third one?
That's all.
That's all. Two. Thank you.
And ang ito ko sa nabos mo sarang no tinjonon sino sar nuwai sarabel tay sartonga.
Good evening, one and all. I am Tanya Young from Sociology Department. Thank you.
Okay, Tanya. Can you please tell us your hobbies?
Sir, I like traveling. My hobby is traveling.
Okay, so where have you recently traveled?
Recently, Dumbur.
And did you enjoy it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the things that you saw in Dumbur which wasn't in other places? Can you name them?
I saw boating, speed boating, and huge number of coconut trees. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good evening to you all. My name is Sahil Debarma. I have been passed out from St. Andreas School, and I am from Pol Science Department. Thank you.
Kami boro himsaka. Kami para.
Belfangwadi.
Campur Nagar. Boro?
Why?
Oh, acha, Khwai. Aim in life tamo?
To become politician.
Okay. Politician. If kaisa good politician angan thangang ke past qualities tadi.
Do good things.
Kaisa thangga? Tadi sir?
Be sincere with all.
Okay. Tin.
And do good things.
Good things already nang sai pa kya? Sincere already sai pa kya? Tin number tabuk. Okay.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Tugmali Debarma, and I am from English department.
I have a question for you, and you look very beautiful today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, can you tell me about the attire you are wearing today?
It's a rignai.
Rignai and what's the name of that rignai?
Chamathui.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening to one and all present here. My name is Kubai Jamatia and I pass out from Don Bosco School, Agartala.
What is your aim in life?
Sir, I want to go for civil service.
Civil services. Why do you want to go for civil services?
Because in case of civil services, I saw that they're getting respect and fame and also money.
Okay. Respect, fame and money. Out of these three things, you have to choose one. Which one would be?
That will be, sir, respect.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Khulumka Jotanano. I am Tomalika Debarma. I am basically from Shimna. My department is BA elective.
Okay. Tomalika. Nandun pala na ito ka. And personally, ang no sinigo. So, nini porimani bade ang sawana. Tajungo nang sabik langka balik nato. Tabu nang kagini legendary singer Konthoti Jamatia by Kom Thezat Rosamu. Muito da dong. Bini bersambung.
Muito keren. Kita muito kaya naik ni, just okey.
Okay. Langmani hadok movie saya naman.
Saya mana mem?
Aja gani bersambung. Menai neng resapti mana man?
Mem, another question. Oh no.
Okay. Neng nini hobbies singing pada tamu.
Mai mui song na.
Tamu song mana bisi hamdan.
Nanti mang song mui rok song na. Nanti budok, muya budok, nanti muya cakai. Nanti rok.
Muya cakai song tu ni tamu ri eba puila tamu kelai na.
Puila tu imu thungi biar mariwa. Aman pore hingga muya puila tu muya no alada khai boil khai pan pore alada khai nargo. Aman pore hingga tu ino muthungi biar mariwa. Aman pore muya ro alu ro griwo mo shom ro griwo. Hingga mo shoro griwo.
Cakai yo alu dari ba.
Muya budok.
Oh, angkat cakai ni kau sengi tuman.
Oh. Sorry mem bucin kali.
Dah kau, aman.
Good evening everyone, respected our honorable chief guest and teachers. My name is Daniel Devarma and I am from English department. So, any question ma'am?
Yes, since we are all adults here, I would like to ask, what is your ideal type of women? Ideal type, your type of women. What type of girls do you like?
Yes, I like sanskari.
What do you mean by sanskari?
It's like educated one.
Educated.
I can't explain properly that.
Yeah, you need to explain sanskari because there might be various girls who wants to
they know how to control their family, like cooking, like science and all like this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What was your name again?
Daniel Devarma.
Good evening everyone, my name is Riya Devarma and I came from Oxfam Girls School and I'm in English department. Thank you.
I will continue again. So, when you meet a person for the first time, what do you notice first? Like you have never met that person before, but this is your first time meeting that person. So what do you see first or notice first? The height, the hair, the voice, the shoes, the clothes. What do you see first? The personality?
Overall, everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.